Oh,
I know she left. I can have it though.
hello.
Hello, come here, buddy.
What the heck? You're weird.
I think Hayden officially went crazy.
You're weird.
Shooting a video of me eating a pickle.
Yeah.
Hayden, where are you?
I'm going to my house.
Yeah. Eat that pickle.
Yummy.
That pickle's good, ain't it?
There's a dog.
You're damn right, boy.
Joy, will you help me kill it? You hit it first, and I'll hit it second. Go.
Gotta go take a shower.
I'm not hitting it first.
Fine, if I hit it,
I'm
you
done
have
with
to
my
kill it.
pickle.
You're just gonna leave it like that? Just put back in the
Okay,
fridge?
alright.
Yeah.
Here.
What the heck?
Here's the toy.
Back in here.
Why?
Look, you hit it first.
Look at that. Look at that fridge.
Give me all my stuff back.